welcome back to my channel. So today I will be doing a wintry makeup look, something that I would do normally for my makeup. It's easy, simple, and it looks gorgeous as well. So if you want to know how I get the look, then keep on watching. I'm then going to go in with two concealers, Tarte medium, and the Instant Anti-Age, the Eraser Eye. So I'm going to use two because I need it. So I'm just going to do under the eyes because that's where I get a little bags. My cheeks because they're quite red today. And then a little bit on my forehead because I ain't got a massive forehead, so. And then I'm just going to go for the baking. So I'm using 17 Miracle Matte Loose Powder, and I'm going to go in with, because that's what I'm going to use afterwards, so making sure it's all, this is my little technique. So then I'm going to go back in with my sponge and then dropping it all. I'm going to go everywhere that I put concealer. Now I've put the powder on, I'm going to go in with the eyeshadows. I'm going in with Makeup Revolution, and I'm going to go for the darker looks. So I'm going to get my concealer to put it as the base. I think it makes your eyes more shiny when you've got a base on your eyes, so when the eyeshadow you put on, it makes your eyes pop even more, because I've got very small eyelids, so it makes your eyes pop a bit more. So I'm going to go in with that gorgeous brown, and I'm just going to do the top in the crease first of all, just to set where I'm going to have it all. Like so. So it looks, as you can see, so I use quite a bit because, as I said, my eyelids are quite very small, so I'm going to go in with the shiny one. Nearly dropped it all. And I'm going to do the bottom. Make it shiny. I use my finger because it's easier to put on, I think, anyway. Ooh. Like so. Now I'm just gonna buff it all out, mixing the two colours together. Like so. Now I'm going to get a smaller brush and I'm going to do under the eyes. Gonna go in with the same colour that I did with my eyes. Just gonna go under again, you don't need a lot on your eye. Just enough to cover it all. Can always tidy it up afterwards. How cute is that? So now we've done the eyes, we're going to go in with the big brush and bake. I always go downwards. I don't know who said to go downwards. Can't remember who said when you're baking to go down. I don't know, but so when you think baking is done, now I'm going in with the contouring, using Collection in this colour. So, and it goes up. So I'm just gonna do the forehead, do it light on my nose, even though I've lost weight, but still do it on your chin. Now you're going to go back in with your sponge and you're just going to massage, if you can call it a massage, into your skin. I might be doing it wrong, but this is how I do it. I think using these sponges is better. Good under that chin. Making sure it's all in because you don't want to look like you've got dirt on your face. So I'm just going to get my finger and massage the nose. And then get concealer for the nose. Massage that in. I always wondered, does this actually make your nose smaller? But I don't know. So now we're going to go under the eyes, making sure all the stuff is cleaned up, as I would say. You can even go in with your finger. Like so. Now we're going to go in with like the peach sort of thing, and I'm using Too Faced Papa Don't Peach, which is this colour here. So yeah, I'm using Papa Don't Preach, and I'm going to get just a small little brush because I'm not really into the fan ones. So just going to get a little bit. Ooh. And just, wow. Wow, that blush. That is good blush. Woo. So now I'm going in with the highlighter. I got this for Christmas. It is Sunkissed Let It Glow Bake Highlighter Palette. And then the colours in this. Just look at that. So I think I'm going to go for this tone because it just seems to go with the makeup. I just don't want it to be too much. You just never know how much highlighter to put. And already that just shines. Ooh. That really shines. I never want it to look ridiculous, so I never know how much to put on, but I want it to pop. The mascara. So I'm using Bonjour Paris Volume 1 Second Mascara, and already I've used this before. It is amazing, I must admit. So good. I'm getting it everywhere. So it makes your eyes pop already, and I've only just put a little bit on. I think what helps, I don't put a lot of mascara. We're going to go in with the sexy lipstick. So I'm using Wet n Wild, and this is E5378 Blind Date. Ooh, look at that colours. So I'm just gonna put this on. Oh God. Oh, it's the way. That's actually quite a lush lipstick, Wet n Wild. Got this from Beauty Bay. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a big massive thumbs up and subscribe down below. Also, I will see you again next time, my butterflies. Bye bye.